Hello, this is Suchya and now we are going to start with class 11 economics. Economics, which is a very important subject these days, which is in fact the backbone of any economy, wherein the people understand as to whether the economy is going right, what are the faults in the economy, in which areas are we lacking, and what improvements can we make to make the country into a stable economy. Therefore, the study of economics is very, very important to all the students in today's life. But as you have opted for economics in class 11, so you are going to have a deeper study, and the first chapter deals with Indian economy on the eve of independence. We shall be dividing this unit into two parts, and the first unit is from 1947 to 1990. When I talk of the present economy, that is, what is the status of our economy today, then we just cannot judge it by whatever we are experimenting today. The economy of India is deep rooted in the past. That is, the effect of the past can be seen in our present day economy because of various factors which we are going to see in detail in the chapter. Whether it is agriculture, industry, infrastructure, all the factors play a vital role in the making or marring of an economy. And whatever happened in the past is equally responsible for the economy of the country. When I talk of the economy of India in the past, especially during the British period, it was a period of very sad economy because the Britishers made India as a feeder economy, meaning to say, at that point of time, industrialization was going on in Britain and they needed raw material for their industries. So, what they required from India was raw material, that is, feeding their industries with raw material. So, slowly it changed into a feeder economy. Now, when such a thing happens, then naturally whatever is good for the mother country, whatever is good for the country who has colonized you, and here in the case of India, Britishers, they wanted the Indians to grow particular crop. They wanted the industries of India to just produce particular things. They wanted the Indian people to work in a particular manner, and there was no growth whether in agriculture, industries or infrastructure as such, which could actually develop the economy of India. So, when you read about the past, that is the British period, you know that the Britishers were very exploitative in their nature, and the assessment which we do of the Indian economy as on today is based on the fact that we were exploitative, we were exploited by the Britishers, and we were in fact doing everything for them. Somebody said very wisely that all the wealth of India was flown from river Ganga to river Thames. That is, the Indian economy working for the upliftment of the British economy.